Today we spend a little time in Myrtle Point, Oregon, and go to the Coos Bay Speedway for the drag race. Kind way thinking about them door hinges on there. Cool boom truck here. Hey, tell us about your old truck there.
My old truck, I love my old truck. Her name's Betty Boom.
Betty Boom.
Yeah, my wife gets jealous of her because I write songs for her and everything. I love the truck.
Nice, nice. How long you had it?
Oh, a while.
Yeah? What's it got for a motor? 354 or something like that?
345 Old International.
Nice. I bet she likes her fuel. She's got a drinking problem?
She not too bad of a drinking problem, you know, moderate, kind of like me. You know, I like my beer. And
yeah.
She likes her gasoline.
Nice.
It's about 12 miles a gallon going down the highway. It does 65, but she sounds like she's going to blow up when she's doing 65.
What do you use it for?
I use it for setting well tiles into holes, you know, doing hand-dug wells.
Oh, really?
That's one of the things. I actually got the boom for doing chainsaw wood carving side stumps, you know, that's like logs and whatever that are this big, too much for a guy to push around, but not enough for any bigger equipment. You know?
Huh. So the wells must not be very deep here then, huh? If you can do a hand dug.
She's got a cable that'll drop a tile down as far as you can dig.
But those guys will dig down. How far they dig down for a hand dug?
She doesn't. Oh, the guys that dig
yeah.
hand digging? Oh, gosh. Well, I've heard of one hole that they dug 80 foot deep by...
Holy smokes.
Local guy, Bucky, you know, I don't know if you know Bucky.
No, we're not from around here. Yeah.
He dug a hole 80 feet deep, digging by hand.
Wow.
He's a big guy, too, and those holes aren't very big. I don't know how the hell he did that.
Right. Wow. Well, we sure like old Betty. They're a cool truck.
I love Betty.
All right, buddy. So old Betty's got a new paint job?
Yeah, old Betty's got a new paint job. See, the bed's got a little primer, but we painted her root beer brown and cream. That's sweet cream, the lower color. And
nice.
We went and had root beer floats in honor of her new paint job yesterday, because she looks like a root beer float, doesn't she?
Right on. Good job. See you, buddy. Just by chance, here goes Betty. Hi, Betty. This old 66 Chevy's over here next to Betty, one of Betty's neighbors. Pretty nice old truck. A little rust down there in the fender, but other than that, just a great straight truck. Don't know if we're supposed to be back here, but how can I pass this up? There's some pretty cool old iron back here. Let's see if there's anybody here. Gotta love that old cab over. Looks like a 57 Chevy there, 4-door. 57 wagon in the back there. Bunch of old Fords here. Got the corner covered on the Fords. Wow. Huh?
We're on camera.
Sorry.
You're on camera.
Yep. Let's say this here's Ford country. Yeah, there's a crew cab even in there. Oh, look at this. Look. There's Betty again. They're gonna think we're following that one on the drive-by. There's a beautiful old big back window Chevrolet truck. Del McMullen. Drive around looking for old cars to look at, and the wife she's entertained by looking at old houses. There's a pretty cool one here in Myrtle Point. They're a little different. Willie's SUV, let's call it. There's a big job Ford F-750 fire truck, tandem axle. Can't say I've seen one of them in a while. One of a kind way thinking about them door hinges on there. 304. A couple of beautiful Cadillacs. First one here is a 4-door, but the white one back there looks like a 49, 50, 51 2-door hardtop. Really, that would be a super cool 4-door. Sitting alongside the street here. Doesn't look like it's moved for a while there. Got the old Coos Bay Oregon, and I think it says Church Pontiac Olds in Coos Bay Oregon. Pretty cool little car. Bet you've never seen one of them before because they didn't make one.
Now start.
Here we are at the Coos Bay Speedway. I've always wanted to stop by here when we're in the area. Long ways down here just to come to a race, but they're not racing stock cars tonight. Got a little drag racing going on. Not much of a race, but we're still going to attend it here. $15 to get in.